Let's check it out. So I'm going to taste this blueberry pie before the smoothie, because the smoothie will be sweeter than this pie. So I'm going to begin with this experimental recipe. Like you see, well, the structure is really like moist, and I like that. So here we go. The structure is really like really moist. This brings to mind another moist cake somebody close to me has made. These are home baked, of course, and I gotta say, this is like perfectly not too sweet, but sweet enough. There's the zucchini greens right there. So likewise you see, it is really moist in the texture, and I gotta say, this is too good to be let be on the table. Brings down my tongue as well. No, because I like this less sweet blueberry so much. I kind of don't even want to taste anymore this sweeter garden, because I know that it will be like too sweet. But I can still, just for comparison. Let's go. So this is more traditional garden blueberry recipe with some backstory on it. So somebody has made in the past good recipe for the local folks, and they have passed the recipe forward. Okay, actually, this is not too sweet either. This is not too sweet, I gotta say. This is more like, how would I say? Not so moist, so it's less. It's more like cookie-like, let's say. Not bad either. But I gotta say straight away, this one wins in the taste. Like, gotta say. But what I like about this one is that the base is thin, so the base is not too thick. Likewise in this one as well. But this is more like cookie-like recipe, and it's still just a little bit more sweet. But in this case, the additional extra sweetness, it kind of does not help the overall taste. And now the aftertaste in this traditional recipe, I can, taste the sweetness in my tongue. Like there's that sugary syrup kind of taste on my tongue right now. So. And I have my cup of coffee here, because what would be better? than a pie and a cup of coffee? Tell me. Especially on the morning, if you gotta spike up your blood sugar and get ready for the hard exercise of the days and athletic performance, then you gotta have some blueberries pie. That's the boom towards the day. Oh, no, back to this. This one is like really good. Gotta say, I'm speechless. I hope I could just deliver something for you as well. There you go. Let's go, now it's smoothie time. Introduction. Along with smoothie, I have here coffee with omega oil in it, because now these are our special quests this time. Likewise, you see they look different, and the reason is why, because they are two different recipes. Here is traditional garden blueberry pie, and here is some special experimental woo-woo recipe that has less sugar, and sugar has been somewhat replaced with ananas crunchy kind of mixture. And then there also seems to be some zucchini. Ooh, yeah. As you see, there is some green there coming out of the pie right there. So that is zucchini. So it's experimental recipe, and now we are going to taste which one is more pleasing to my taste buds. Like, perhaps you know or you don't that I like less sweet foods in general. That's about it. And here we go. Gardening from our own backyard. A little bit of strawberries, black currants and red currants. There we go. Morning smoothie. And of course, salads, parsley. Then we have mint. And perhaps some spinach too. And here, peaches and kiwi. Small tubes of mango yogurt and then one Bulgarian yogurt. There we go. Bananas, salads. There are spinach, pea powder, 1 scoop of herb powder, cashews, Brazil nuts, and then we add just 2 kiwis, no peaches. That's about it. Let's go. Whey powder. Sorry for the mispronunciation. Let's go. There are strawberries. Ooh. Oh, and then we add some grapes there.